Music. 25.
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel ABK Tech TV. In this video I am going to show you how you can use your phone with your voice. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech videos. Also try to watch till the end, because there are important settings needs to be done for the voice control to work perfect. So let's get to the video. To control your phone with your voice, you will need to go to the Play Store to install an application called Voice Access.
After you install the application,
You then open it. When you open it, it will ask you to turn on voice access. You then click OK.
you then click on the voice access to turn it on. After that, it will ask you for some permissions. You accept all.
For the voice access control to be permanent, that is, to use it at every level, these settings need to be done. You go to your phone settings, go to apps and notifications to find the application.
You then click on the application to set up some things. First permission.
Turn on microphone.
Then, go to display over other apps to allow the app to display over other applications.
After you finish those settings, there are other important settings needs to be done, which will make the application sweet for use. Mind you, when you open the application it will display on your screen.
You will then draw the top of your phone to see notifications.
Go to the app settings.
Find activate on lock screen. If it's off, turn it on. Also, find cancel on touch. Turn it off.
To use the application, you will click on the app icon which shows on your phone screen. Mind you, when you click on the app icon, numbers will display on all the icons on your phone applications. You can say the name of the app to open it, or the number that display on it to open it. Now, let's use the application.
As you can see, all the apps on my phone are having numbers on them. So, you can say the number to open the app. Also, you can say the name of the app to open too.
Now, let me ask it to play music.
Music.
You see, it entered the play music by itself.
So, let me ask it to go back.
Go back.
It also go back by itself.
Look at the enter menu icon, it has the number 25 on it. Let me call the number for you to see.
25. Scroll down.
Guys, if you find this video valuable, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next one.